It's Bibber gonna explain only one more time. Timmy needs to go to the store, okay?
Yes?
His mom wants to get him 5 apples,
Yes.
but she only expects him to get with only 50 cents. Will Timmy's mommy be disappointed in him, or will she finally love him?
I have to say 2 questions. 1, his mama won't love him, and 2, you only said one number.
Oh, the apples cost $1 each. Bibber forgot because he's so frustrated with you, ugly monkey.
His mama will be mad, will not love him.
Exactly. Isn't that right, big face monkey? Oh, I forgot. He's in pimple office.
Yeah, and I don't think he'll be coming out because
Ah, I'm sorry, guys. They had to call an ambulance, and then you have to cut my butt off the chair.
don't your butt feel burned then?
No, no. Oh, it's okay because this is a costume. My real fur is under it.
Oh, Spider-Man hot glue gun. Shh.
Oh, you almost got me.
Oh, I'm gonna get you.
Oh.
What?
Okay, so that's math class.
Wait,
Okay.
that's at least I think I passed.
Okay, the next topic is okay. So turns out we can't afford school buses to come here, okay?
What?
So for the 5 days that you've been here, you're gonna have to live here.
What? No.
That thing right there,
Yes.
that's your home now. That's your room. You could
So
probably fit in that in there, right?
the classroom's a room? Yeah,
Yeah.
everybody have to share this classroom.
No, that's just your house. Everyone gets the separate rooms except you.
Wait, no.
Just kidding. I played you. I played you. The lockers are your rooms.
So
We couldn't only afford. How many kids are there?
there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 lockers.
But there's like just because there's 6 lockers, that is 6 students. That means there have to be 6 lockers.
We're gonna buy more of them. And plus, we have another classroom store. We're gonna go in there. Because we're gonna do gym class.
Wait, Jim?
Unless you don't want to exercise and be a weird whale.
Ouch.
Okay, because whales aren't very good at exercising because they're in the ocean and don't have any hands, so they're kind of like that.
They have like those flap things to make them more.
Those aren't arms or feet. You're expecting him to go on the floor?
He can't go on the floor. He swims in the ocean.
Which the ocean is part of the ocean floor, right?